Hi guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. I'm Ciara Victoria, and as you could tell from the title of this video, I am doing an Apple Watch unboxing. This is a very informal video, by the way. I'm just extremely excited to have an Apple Watch. This is the box that it came in. I don't know if it's coming up on camera nicely, but yes, this is the box that it came in. It's been years. Like literal years since I have owned an Apple Watch. I don't even know where that Apple Watch went. I don't know what happened to that thing. But I remember when I had it, I loved it. I absolutely loved it. And I think now that I'm older, I could see how this could be important in anyone's day-to-day life. For instance, I'm really curious about, my health and tracking that. I've been working out 6 days a week, I kid you not. And like even little things like having my phone while I work out, I would love to leave this in the gym locker and just have a watch on me that is basically like a phone but on my wrist. So yeah, I feel like that is a cool way to kind of incorporate this watch into my day-to-day life. Also, I think it's pretty cool that, we can take phone calls, talk to you like this. Hey, what's the sitch? Hey, what's the sitch? Like talk to people. Talk to people on my Apple Watch. I could text, I could do all that stuff. This is just super informal. Like I'm literally just sitting down on my couch unboxing this thing. Okay, so here we go. I'm gonna just do this, okay? Like this is so informal. I know in my iPhone video I did it on the table and it was really like, but I'm just really casual right now. I'm in a casual mood. So it has these two flaps. Ooh. This is cool. This is cool. I'm like actually really excited. Oh, this is a cute packaging, you guys. Like if I did this flat, it probably would have been easier. I'll put that to the side for now. I think this is really cute. It's very playful. I love Apple's packaging. We'll put this here. And then it came with the box for the actual watch, the literal gadgets of gadgets. Hello? Okay, sounds good. Okay, bye. Okay, my phone rang on me, but yeah, so here is the box for the actual watch, the little gadgets. And then this is a sports band. It's a stainless steel pin. I know on this it said what band it was specifically. So this right here, this is the Graphite stainless steel case. So this is the actual, watch that does what it needs to do. And then this over here, the band is Abyss Blue Sport Band. So that is how I bought it. I bought it like that. I guess first I will start off with the watch. I know everyone literally loves this part. Okay, ready? I love how I got really quiet. Okay. Oh my god. Apple. It's like airtight. This is airtight, you guys. All right. This isn't giving right now. Okay, there we go. There we go. I'm gonna just kind of hold it, but this is how it came. I have my watch here, and then I'm guessing this is instructions. An instruction pamphlet. I feel like the way I'm displaying this is quite interesting, to say the least. Okay, so yeah, these are just instructions. I'm gonna put this to the side because there's nothing there. It came with this, and it's basically showing you how to kind of attach the band to the device, and then deeper instructions here. So we have that. I'm gonna put that to the side. Okay, and then inside of the box, under the instructions on this side, we have the charger for the Apple Watch, which is very important because it's a digital watch. If you guys could see this cat right now. What a surprise. Hi, what a pleasure surprise. She wants to say hello. You want to say hi, baby? No, you want to go away? You want to go away now? Hi, my honey. Okay, so where was I before Savvy interrupt? Hi, baby. Oh, she's back. Want to chill with me? Okay. big girl. This is just the charger for the Apple Watch. I think it's pretty standard. I'm gonna put this to the side with everything else. And then last but definitely not least is the actual watch itself. I'm gonna just take this out. There's nothing more in this box. Put that to the side. This is it. I'm going to just, I guess, pop it out like that. So I'm like pushing it out. I don't know if that was the way to do it. So the graphite is actually very pretty. It was either this or the gold color Apple Watch, but they didn't have the gold and I just really could not get myself to wait 3 months. 3 months for the gold. The Apple Store has the gold, but the thing is I did not want to pay it in full, so I decided that I want to do the installments, and Apple does installments, but it's only through their Apple credit card, and I was not trying to apply for an Apple credit card. So my camera died at certain parts. Like, it's a new day. I'm going to like try to fill in the gaps here and there. Then I didn't capture the unboxing of the band. So I'm using this gold band here. But as I've mentioned, when I purchased the watch, it included this band. And I've realized what they do is they include 2 loop sizes. So if you have smaller wrists, like me, I have very, very small wrists. I use this smaller size, but if you have bigger wrists, you would use the larger size. So there's that. And then it comes with the closure part. So you just connect it to your watch and all is good, all is well. So I've added the band. This is the color. It is actually very pretty. Okay, let me try it on. I'm gonna put this thing on and see how I feel about it. It's kind of hard though putting watches on by myself. This is cute. Awkward angle, but this is cute. So this is what it looks like on my wrist. It's a very pretty blue. It's not practical for an everyday look for me. I love gold, and so I had to do it, you guys. I had to. I bought a gold band. It was $100 for this. So I'm gonna unbox this one too. We're going to do it again. That one didn't seem as satisfying. I also had this specific band when I had my Apple Watch a very long time ago. If I could pinpoint how long ago, it would have to have been like 5 years ago, honestly. Again, it came with instructions. Same process, I'm going to assume. Open it up, open it up. Now instead of 2, it's 1 because it's adjustable. So I'm going to just take that out. I'm going to take this one off. I'm not going to be wearing it. Okay. Sliding it in. And then this side. Okay, finally getting it together. As you could tell, I just pull it. And then I clamp it. And then it's there. And so this is what it looks like on my wrist. But yeah, I'm going to turn it on. Awkward, it's not turning on. I don't know if I would say it looks gold. Like, this is gold. Here, let me use my ring as an example. It looks like silvery-ish. It's cool, it is what it is. I absolutely love this thing. I've been using it a couple days. I said I wouldn't do a review, but now I'm thinking like I might as well do one now. So it's the 41mm Apple Watch, and I would say that the screen size is really good. I don't have an issue reading it. You can adjust like the sizes and everything of the text, so I think that's really great. I feel like in regard to the battery life, it has not died on me since wearing it. I do charge it every day. So like if I step in the shower, I take it off. I know that it is water resistant, but I'm not here to take chances. I don't want to do any of that. I just take it off and then I charge it. I also sleep with it at night, so it's not charging overnight. I literally just charge it whenever I shower, and I don't even get it to a full charge, but it manages to last me the day, which I think is extremely helpful. In regard to working out and things like that, I love that, you know, I can connect my headphones to it. I left my phone in the locker and I was able to use my watch, and I thought that that was super cool. And yeah, I think that if you're someone that is, you know, looking to be more productive, I see how this watch could be really good for productivity as well. You could set reminders. There's so many different faces that you can use for your watch that, you know, fits you and your needs. So I do recommend it. I know there's a cheaper version, the aluminum version, but the quality of the aluminum isn't as durable, so keep that in mind. Stainless steel is the next version, and that's the one that I have, as I've mentioned. And then there's titanium, which is even more durable and luxurious. So there's that for that. I don't regret getting the black color one, the graphite one. The gold one still would have been cute, but it's fine. Like, I'm okay. I'm happy with what I got. And yeah, I just think that it's a really cute watch. I'm sorry I did not necessarily get the setup process too well, but yeah, I'm going to just like, this is kind of hard to do, but yeah, this is the watch. My wrist is very uncomfortable right now. I love it. I love it. I love it. I love it. I could do a what's on my Apple Watch video in a separate video, but yeah, that was my quick review in regard to my watch. I don't have anything to really compare it to because, as I've mentioned, this is the first Apple Watch that I've owned in years. So I don't even remember the exact Apple Watch model that I had. I think honestly it was when it first came out. I don't know how long ago that was, but yes. Yes, yes, yes. I don't know if there's anything else I'm necessarily missing, but let me think. Let's think about it. I covered the watch. I covered the wristbands. Setting up my Apple Watch did not take long at all. I'm still looking into apps and things like that. So yeah, to conclude this video, I want to thank you guys so much for watching. And oh, I'm thinking of uploading a video every Sunday. I'm trying to find the flow. I'm trying to like get into, I need to stop saying trying. I'm going to get into this flow. So if Sundays work, it'll work. If not, I can always adjust the days. But yes, honestly, I'm here for it. I love the YouTube world, and I'm hoping that, you know, we can just get that going. So yeah, thank you guys so much for watching my video. So be sure to give this video a thumbs up. Hit that subscribe button if you would love to see more of my videos. And be sure to leave a comment in the comment box below. Let me know what you think about the Apple Watch in general. Let me know what you think about the Series 7. Let me know what colors you like. Like, let me know anything having to do with the Apple Watch or Apple products at all. Look at the flick of my wrist. Okay, bye guys. Bye, lovies. I'm gonna start calling you lovies because that's what I grew up being called, and I think it's just very cute and a sense of endearment.